Okay, go.
These are 2 Rubik's Cubes. I'm going to mix one of them up and solve it, only one side. And I'm going to do it the big 3x3 and a little 3x3.
Awesome. Here he goes.
Wait, I have to mix it up first.
Oh, I know. I'm just holding the camera closer to you.
Okay. I have it like this. Want to sit right here?
Where?
Right here, so they can see it better.
Go just sit. They're gonna see all this stuff.
Okay. Okay, there it is.
Okay.
First, you gotta get the cross.
Where's that? I thought we were doing green.
We are.
Oh, oh there it is. Hey!
There it is.
Okay, where is it?
Now you gotta get these 3 corners. These 2 corners. So,
Oh, goodness.
one,
Right in the middle of a video.
1, 2.
I don't know if anybody else knows how to do a Rubik's Cube, but this kid's counting is what he's doing. It's awesome. Because I can't figure it out.
Because she's my mom.
No funny.
Wait, where's that other green?
I don't know.
There it is. There it is. There's the other green, and I have one more corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that.
Man, he's too smart for me. Because I can't figure this out. I'm getting lost just watching. Boom! There we go. Green Rubik's Cube. Boom.
And now for the
Look at the camera.
big one.
Okay.
Now for the big one.
Okay. There we go. Let me mix it up.
Okay,
What color are we going to do this time?
green.
Okay.
First, I gotta get the cross. Same thing.
Isn't your favorite color orange?
No, it's red.
It's red now?
No, it's always been red.
No. Daddy likes orange. He has too many orange shirts. It's not his favorite color though.
And Blake.
Blake likes orange?
Uh-huh.
No, Blake likes
Now I
Blake-
just gotta get 2 more corners. So, green. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And Blake likes baby blue.
Baby. Oh. Now I just gotta get this and that.
There we go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
All you
2,
people watching, I'm
3,
seriously going to have to
4.
sit down after this and
1,
watch an explanation of how to do the Rubik's Cube because I still can't get it, and he's been trying to teach me for 3 days. Wait, 2 days. But still, I can't figure it out. Done. Done. Got anything else?
Bye.
Do you have anything else to say, little Mikey?
Look at Biddy.
Hi, Biddy.
Get this off.